Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting on morphological switching robots to support independent living for older adults. Long-term use and effectiveness of robots still depend on building trust between robots and humans. Trust may be increased through a combination of reliable and precise robotic assistance combined with safety and adaptability, especially when a robot is in close proximity with a human. Currently, rigid robots are good at precise operations and load transmission, whereas the soft robots are safe for human interaction. We present a new concept of morphological switching robot that combines the strength of both these domains. Morphological switching implies that the robot structure can toggle between a conventional jointed configuration that provides extreme levels of accuracy and precision and a soft continuum configuration that exemplifies adaptability and dexterity. The central hypothesis is that robots that demonstrate morphological switching between soft and rigid attributes can better build trust with humans when assisting them in their daily living activities. In the United States and in many countries, populations are aging. As older adults transition throughout the later stages of the life course, they can become at increased risk of facing challenges with daily activities that are needed to maintain independence and quality of life. And this can be especially true for those aging with mobility disability. These adults require support with instrumental activities of daily living, IADLs such as maintaining the home, preparing meals, and health self management. Older adults continue to try to carry out these tasks themselves, many of which require reaching in high places or bending down low, both of which can lead to falls and the subsequent need for surgery, rehabilitation, or relocation. The National Institute on Aging estimates that 1 in 3 older adults falls every year. This rate could be reduced with robotic assistance, and we envision morphological switching robots can play a key role. Here we show one embodiment of morphological switching in which a soft arm nested within a rigid link can be extruded depending on adaptability and safety of the task required. If the task requires accuracy and force transfer, the soft arm stays nested and the rigid arm alone accomplishes the task. Our objective is to make breakthrough advances in the concept of morphological switching configurations and translating them into service robots to assist the aged. Here we have mounted such a morphological switching robot on a mobile platform. We show the feasibility of the robot platform to pick up glasses from the floor and handing them to an older adult. And in the next example, we demonstrate the robot's capability to open a cabinet door and reaching the item in the top cabinets. For these feasibility exercises, we had an operator controlling the robot remotely. Translating the concept of morphological switching into functional service robots that can assist older adults with IADLs involves multiple complex tasks and a combination of thoughtful robot design and robust control. In addition, user preferences with respect to robot autonomy must be understood. We have several technical challenges and challenges pertaining to user preferences that must be studied to evaluate the potential of morphological switching robots in assisting older adults. Our team comprises of researchers in robotics and applied health to investigate these issues. This work will benefit from a participatory design centered iterative design cycle in the chart apartment and the family life home, which provide simulated home environments for research at University of Illinois. Evaluating robots in these contexts will not only enable us to improve the robot design to fit the needs and preferences of older adults, but also provide a range of older adults with opportunities to learn about and experience this potentially useful technology. Thank you very much.